Are you concerned that your designs are not working out to boost your sales? Is it taking long time to design social media graphics for your products? Hi, this is Praveen from PicMaker. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 4 tips to level up your design that can drive your product sales. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a do-it-yourself design software called PicMaker that allows you to create stunning designs in minutes. Sign in or sign up to PicMaker using your credentials. The dimension of your design depends on the purpose of your design. We are on the dashboard right now. Click on the search bar. It is the easiest way to find different templates of different dimensions. If you are posting your product on social media platforms like Instagram or you are creating advertising banners, you can choose it from here. As you notice, it comes with the right dimension. So you don't have to worry about the size of your design. Let's say you want to design a flyer to announce discount for your product. I'll just type flyer, click on the suggestion and it will take me to the templates page. In this page, you can browse through thousands of templates free to use as well. Once you find a template that interests you, click on it, it will take you to the workspace. We are on the workspace right now. As you can see, all these elements are completely customizable. Let's say you want to change your product, add a different discount offer, or change the background color, you can do it from here. If you are creating different graphics for different purposes, you can use resize option in PicMaker. This paid feature takes one design and transform it into different dimensions. For instance, if you want to resize this furniture sale banner into a Twitter post, I'll just type Twitter in the search bar, click on Twitter post and click to resize. In just a snap of a second, that banner is transformed into this Twitter post. Likewise, you can resize this Twitter post into different dimensions. Your brain uses colors to recognize traits about products. If you want your products to stand out in the competitive digital landscape, you should be wise in choosing colors. The challenge lies in harnessing color psychology to communicate with your buyers. You probably know the basics of colors, like red represents passion, and white means cleanliness. But this is just a basic of the complex colors theory. We'll go color by color to give you deep insights of the best situations to use specific colors for your product advertising. Blue is known for its trust and dependability. It typically evokes emotions of professionalism. To represent peace, relaxation, and to invoke a refreshing mood, use blue. Green is known to lower blood pressure and heart rate in viewers. If you have products related to health, growth, and wealth, you can use this color on your product listings and social media graphics. Purple is not a color we see often in nature. It is mystical. You can use this color to promote your royalty and spiritual products. Red is vibrant and attention-grabbing. If your product radiates love, passion, and high energy, red is the best color for you. Buyers tend to associate affordability and optimism with yellow. It has the perk of being both light and bold at the same time. If you want to show that your product is affordable and cheerful, you can use yellow. Orange is a combination of yellow and red. It is considered as an energetic color. It invokes excitement and warmth. If your product beams happiness, you can use the orange color. Just like how blue is for boys, pink is a lot more for girls. It can be used to show romantic, sweet, and fun products. Black is a powerful and bold color. It can be associated with luxury, power, and elegance. To stay consistent in your brand colors, you can use the Brand Kit feature in PicMaker. Click on Brand Kit on the sidebar of the dashboard. Here you can upload your brand logos, have different color palettes, and pick your brand font for heading, subheading, and body text. You can also save your designs as your brand templates. For now, let's focus on color palettes. You can have multiple color palettes. To create a new palette, click here. Click on the plus icon to add your brand colors. By adding your hex codes, you can easily create your color palettes. So how can you use this while designing? Let me show you. Once you choose your design, click on any element that you want to change the color. Click on the color at the top. Now you can add the colors from your color palettes. You can also add your color palettes to the text. For that, click on the text and click on the color at the top. Now you can experiment with your colors. But never forget the color psychology when you decide the color palettes. You need to maintain right balance of information in your design. Let's consider this template as an example. The value of the product is followed by a short description and then the CTA. This allows the buyer to understand what this design is all about. The CTA enables them to take an action. Here is another example. All these elements are scaled based on its importance and function in the design. Professional sports shoes is the largest text in the design, followed by the discount and the CTA. Call to action is a text that invites a buyer to take a particular action. It depends on what you want your buyer to do at a particular moment. Before jumping into what makes a good call to action, I want to show you what makes a bad call to action. Click here doesn't communicate what you want the buyer to do. Yes, you want them to click, but where will that click leads them? Will they learn about your product, shop it directly, or share it to their friends? The call to action click here doesn't communicate this information. Now let's see some good call to actions. Shop now is pretty straightforward. It lets the buyers to know what's their next action. Buy now is just a modified version of shop now. Adding a discount percentage can help the buyers to take quick decisions. Grab it today invokes a sense of urgency and impulse. It pushes the buyer to make an action right away. For some buyers, the discount is as important as the product itself. The CTA Save Big create a sense of achievement in a big discount discovered. Adding the word "my" to the call to action makes it personal. The buyer feels attached and tend to click. The product templates in PicMaker comes with call to action. You can double click on a CTA and customize your text. To create a CTA button from scratch, head to the Objects section on the sidebar. Click on See All under Shapes with Text. Find a shape that you would like to add. Resize and place it on the right position. To change the color, click on the color at the top. Choose a color that interests you. Double-click on the shape to add text. You can change the font by clicking on the drop-down at the top. Once you're done, click on the download button. You can share it to the social platforms, present it to your team, or download it in 3 different file types. Product designs that you're adding to your e-commerce site and sharing on social platforms can be powerful to boost your sales. I hope the design tips that I shared in this video will help you to get more customers. Out of the 4 tips, which one you're gonna use in your next design? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.